The basic things you need to know about love, marriage, and family. This practical little book will take a closer look at these three things and how they relate to one another. It will talk about how love is something more than a feeling, but is a commitment to the relationships that God has put in our lives, particularly in the context of marriage and family. This booklet will also talk about how marriage is a gift that God has given to his people, all the way back in the Garden of Eden when he said that it is not good for man to be alone, that he would give him a helper suitable to him, and how they were called to live in harmony and relationship with one another. But we all know that we now live in a fallen world, and marriage that was intended as a gift can also become something that is very difficult and painful in the conflicts and the challenges that we face in a marriage relationship. So again, this booklet will give some very practical advice on things that are so important to a healthy marriage, such as respect and trust and communication and intentionality in our relationships with one another. This booklet will also talk about what a biblical family looks like, how parents and children are to interact and relate to one another. Once again, things like love and commitment and communication, forgiveness, respect are emphasized in this booklet because so often it's our hearts, it's our attitudes that need adjusted and that we need reminders in order to have the kind of marriage that is reflective of what God intended, and even in parenting and with children, what a biblical family looks like. So Love, Marriage, and Family, again, a very practical book that is rooted and grounded in what Scripture has to say about love, marriage, and family.